How to create a discount pop-up on Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up form on your Shopify store to capture leads and boost conversion. Whether you want to collect email addresses, run a special offer, a special promotion, or just engage with your visitors. So this tutorial will talk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. So this is a Shopify dashboard. We can go settings and apps and sales channels. Let's Shopify App Store. Then here is just written pop-up form. So we can search, and then here is best. We can choose pop-up form, but here Shopify contact form builder. So we can select and install. So now install Shopify design. So this form is best. Okay. And then enable theme app extension. Just skip. Okay. Enable theme extension. Okay, skip. Okay. There is apps, and here is a form, settings, submission, translation, pricing, and pricing free. This is free to use, no charge. One form, 10 field per form. So all field types checkbox, radio, drop down, pop up, bubble, or embed form. Remove watermark. Okay. So we can just free now. Current plan, just free plan. Okay. So create new form. This is all form here. So you can choose just one form. So this use template. Okay. So just click, and here is a design section. There is a form, and this is section is you can choose, and you can design. Uh, here is a display style, more views, and extra. So here is a field display. Display choosing template will override all styles. Pop-up 1, pop-up 2, pop-up 3, pop-up 4, pop-up 5, pop-up 6. So you can choose just pop-up 3. Pop-up 3 is a look so beautiful. So just we can continue design. Okay. So now you can design it however you like. Just and save. Thank you for watching.